Hi, I'm Brie from Grafa. Up next, we have Evolvh3r. You're live with Grafa at Token 2049. We are thrilled to be live streaming today from the beautiful Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. You're at the world's largest crypto event of the year, and we are thrilled to invite our next guest, Danielle from Evolvh3r. Hi Danielle, how are you?
Good, and thank you for having me. I'm very excited. The energy here at Token 49 this year is electric.
I agree. Danielle, tell us, what is Evolvh3r and what is the vision behind it?
So Evolvh3r is a mentorship and education platform that I founded at the start of this year to really help women upskill and transition into the digital economy.
Excellent. And can you tell us how you were inspired by that idea?
So my background is actually as an educator for the last 5 years, and I have mentored a handful of women from starting their diploma of blockchain to working in the industry. And so selfishly, I get like a natural high out of mentoring these women. And I said, okay, well, I want to help more and have a bigger impact. So that's what was the initial vision behind it. But the long-term vision is to create a learn and earn affiliate program and go into underrepresented countries such as like the Philippines and India, and really teach these women on how they could participate in like deep pin networks, or learn and earn, or play to earn, and help them create revenue streams.
That's excellent and super empowering, may I say. So obviously we're seeing a lot of trends in the industry, but especially for women and crypto. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, so Evolvh3r grew really fast. I hosted my first one at Consensus Hong Kong, and it was just going to be a little like 15, 20 women catch up. I had over 750 registrations for that. Then we did it at Token 49 in Dubai. We had over 1,500 registrations, and we had over 2,000 registrations for Token Singapore. So the women are craving it. There's not enough events that are specific to supporting women in this ecosystem. So it's definitely a huge trend right now.
That's incredible. And I must say, it can be extremely intimidating when you're coming into an industry that you don't know the tech, you don't know anything, and maybe it's heavily male dominated.
100%. I'm actually mentoring a woman at the moment. She's the only female in a team of 30 males, and so there's some points that she's really, really struggling. So having a support system, or just even that person that you can talk to, even though they're not in your direct team, and that is like the overall mission of Evolvh3r, is just creating a support system on how we can empower and uplift. And there's also a lot of C-suite women coming from TradFi that are super skilled and have these transferable skills, but they're new to Web3. So how do we help them accelerate their learning?
Absolutely, there's a huge need. So exciting that you've started the journey in creating that space for women, globally, may I say. So looking ahead to the future, as the founder and CEO of Evolvh3r, what is your strategic direction?
So right now we are just looking to partner with organizations to put as many women through the scholarship program. We've actually just secured our first scholarship program with Stand With Crypto by Coinbase.
Amazing.
So that's really, really exciting.
Yeah.
And so we're hoping that will kind of create a trend, and that more brands will jump on board, because we want to have less barrier to entry for these women to be able to complete these programs. But then we'll also help these organizations find the skill sets that they're looking for. So we're looking and working with Nexa, which is a layer 1. They need more women developers. So how can we help them do that? So that's kind of the goal this year, for the rest of this year, is just find more brands to support and put women through these programs.
Excellent. And I just have a final question for you. So obviously women are signing up by the thousands now, and how are you finding the feedback? Like, are there incredible stories? Has it just been, a wonderful experience and real transferable skills and outcomes?
Oh yeah, I probably could talk about this for hours, but I have here probably 3 or 4 women that are here at this token that came to one of my events, and I've helped them specifically transition. And I've also keep bumping into women that came to our event on Tuesday and have told me hands down it's been the best side event that they've been to. So that just warms my heart.
Yeah. And where can we sign up?
You just go to Evolvh3r.com. Now it is spelled a little bit weird. We spell it Evolvh3r.com.
Yeah, don't get lost on that one.
Or just find me, Danielle Marie, on LinkedIn.
Fabulous. Well, thank you so much, Danielle, for your time. It's been a pleasure, and I love what you're doing. It's awesome. We wish you all the best.
Thank you for having me, and enjoy the rest of your token.
Thank you. You've been live with Danielle from Evolvh3r at Token 2049. For more news and interviews, head to Grafa.com.